NordVPN, or private internet access. Two top VPN brands, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, NordVPN, ultra-fast and packed with features. On the right, private internet access. Affordable and lets you connect unlimited devices. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the game plan. We're going to break things down into a bunch of key categories: price, speed and performance, server network, security and privacy, streaming and unblocking, device limits, apps and platforms, and finally, support. We'll hit each one, talk through the quirks, and at the end, you'll have a super clear winner. You ready? Let's go. First up, price. So, NordVPN, yeah, it's not exactly budget territory. We're talking $3.09 to $3.39 per month if you grab a long-term plan. You do get a lot of cool features for that, but let's be real, it's pricier than a lot of competitors. Now, PIA, this one's got that sweet, sweet value. Think $2.03 to $2.19 a month, and their discount game is honestly wild. You won't find as many fancy extras at that entry cost, but man, if you just want affordable protection, PIA crushes it. Winner here? That's definitely PIA for the wallet watchers. Moving on, speed and performance. NordVPN is, famous for being super fast. You've got their NordLynx protocol, which just flies, especially for streaming in HD or 4K. It's rare to see your speeds tank unless you're connecting to somewhere super remote. On the flip side, PIA is fine for normal browsing and basic streaming. It's consistent, but honestly, you're going to notice slower speeds on average, especially for high bitrate stuff like 4K. So in speed, NordVPN takes the crown here. No contest. All right, let's look at the server situation. NordVPN gives you about 8,000 servers in 126 countries, including some specialized ones for added privacy. There are slightly fewer physical servers than PIA, but the country count is huge. PIA, meanwhile, says it has some 30,000 plus servers, which is mind-blowing, but they're spread across only 91 countries, and they don't say exactly how many unique physical servers that is. That said, if you want to pick a random US state, PIA has you covered. Still, for wide, global access and those privacy extras, NordVPN kind of edges it out. Winner? It's NordVPN. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know PIA lets you just keep adding devices? Seriously, one account, your laptop, your parents' phones, your roommate's PlayStation, unlimited coverage. If you live in a house full of tech, that's a real game changer. Now, big topic, security and privacy. NordVPN is based in Panama, which is, not part of those nosy Five Eyes countries. Plus, their privacy toolkit is next level. No logs, double VPN, onion over VPN, their new threat protection, it's stacked. PIA's got open source apps and no logs too, and good encryption, but they're based in the US. Yikes. And while they're pretty trustworthy, they just don't offer as many advanced privacy tricks. So, for the privacy nerds, NordVPN's definitely ahead here. On to streaming and unblocking. If watching Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, or Prime Video from anywhere in the world is your jam, NordVPN nails it. It's also pretty reliable for getting around censorship in, more restricted countries. It sometimes hiccups with weird niche providers, but honestly, most folks won't ever notice. PIA can get you into Netflix US, which is cool, but it's spotty with Disney+, Max, and especially Prime Video. So if you want the best streaming access, that's NordVPN's win. Device limits. Okay, NordVPN ups its game by giving you 10 devices per account. That's honestly enough for most households. But if you have a tech junkie family or a lot of gadgets, bumping into that limit kinda stinks. PIA though, unlimited devices. No joke. Put it on every phone, tablet, PC, smart fridge. Go nuts. So if you want to cover your whole house with one account, PIA for the win. You can't really argue with unlimited. Apps and platforms, weirdly, it's kind of a tie. NordVPN has all the usual big ones: Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Edge. The only thing, split tunneling doesn't work everywhere. PIA matches up seriously well, with coverage on all the same platforms, plus Opera for browser extension fans. Their split tunneling support also varies by platform, so honestly, you'll be happy either way here. Last category, support. NordVPN is one of the few VPNs that still has 24/7 live chat. Huge if you ever get stuck at 2 a.m. Their knowledge base is massive too. Response times can bounce around, but usually you get help fast. PIA has solid self-help resources, and you can submit a support ticket, but live chat is sort of hit or miss. It's good, but not quite at Nord's level. Support trophy? That's NordVPN. Let's just zoom out for a second and see how these two stack up across all the categories. The radar chart says it all. NordVPN dominates on speed, privacy, streaming, and support, while PIA's got killer value and those unlimited device connections. It's, pretty clear where each has strengths. So here's my honest take. If you just want a cheap, solid VPN for all your stuff, and you've got lots of gadgets or a huge family, PIA honestly makes a ton of sense. But if you care about next level speed, max privacy, or you want to unlock every streaming site you can think of, NordVPN is just kind of in a league of its own. Personally, I'd go NordVPN myself. It's just more versatile for what I do online. Enjoyed the breakdown? Save this video for the next time you're shopping VPNs. And hey, if you have more questions about NordVPN or PIA, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.